Before you buy that land you are about to buy now, there are basically questions you need to ask to the person marketing that property to you or to the agent you want to buy for. So on this video I'll be talking about 3 questions you must ask before you buy any property in Nigeria in this second quarter of the year 2024. So all I want you to do is to watch this video to the end, and number 3 is going to blow your mind. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, I am Freddy based in the city of ENUGU. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to see more of my content, more of my educational video about real estate. The first question you should ask before you buy that property to the person marketing that land to you or to the agent that wants you to buy that property is, who is the actual owner of the property? You need to know the actual owner of the property so that you will know who you are buying from. Are you buying from an individual? Are you buying the property from a real estate firm? Or you are buying the property from a community? Or you are buying a family land? These are the questions you need to ask before buying that property, and you need to they need to have a proof that this person is the actual owner of the property. So before you buy that land, always conduct your due diligence or conduct your search and ask questions about the person you are buying for to know if he's the actual owner of the property, so that you'll be sure of who you are buying from and you should know the actual owner of the property. If you have known who is the actual owner of the property, then the next thing you should know is, how did the owner gain ownership? So in property law we call it the root title. Did he inherited the property or he bought the property? So this, you need to know this, and you need to know the actual document that the property is backing up with, because if the root is faulty, there is no ownership. It's just like you can't give what you don't have. So you need to know the actual title document of that property so that it will show how the owner gained ownership. Is it a deed? Is it a C of O? Or is it a gazette? So you need to know how the owner gained ownership of that property, so that it will help you to know the root title of the document, to know how transfer of ownership has been made in the deed. So these are questions you need to know before you buy that land you are about to buy now in Nigeria. In this case, I will advise you to get a reputable property lawyer to guide you in this process, because so that when you are buying this property, you will know the actual document you are dealing with. So only a good property lawyer can help you and guide you in this process, so that you will not be scammed or you will not be given a false document that later when you are buying the property you will now find out that this property you buy is not the actual document that's supposed to give to you. So if you are about to verify and conduct your due diligence about a document, I will advise you to get a reputable property lawyer, or you can contact a real estate agent like me to help you and guide you. The last but not the least, where is the exact location of the land and the size of the land? So this case, I'm going to give an example before I start explaining this, because a lot of people, especially in Nigeria in diaspora, who saw a property online, maybe someone stayed in the location and did a video that buy so property, then after you must have bought the property, then you came to see your property on ground. Later you now find out that where they showed you is different from what you are seeing on ground. So I will advise you, always go for site inspection in this aspect. Go for site inspection. Get a surveyor to help you to know the size of the land they are trying to sell to you. Is it 500 square meter? Is it 1,500 square meter? So you need to be sure of all these before buying that property, and also conduct your due diligence. Don't buy a property you do not know the location. So make sure before you buy any property in Nigeria now, you need to know the exact location of that property. You need to know who you are buying from, and you need to know how the person you are buying from gain ownership. Hope this video is helpful to you. I am Freddy, your real estate friend. If you have any question, let me know on the comment section, or you can call or WhatsApp me on this number you see on your screen, 07067283262.